No matter which way you're driving traffic to your website, visitors are gonna do one of three things: search for properties to buy, their current property's value, or get to know you better as an agent. They can do all of those things on your agent site. And without registration requirement settings turned on, they can do so without ever giving you any piece of contact information. I wanna show you a really easy way that you can optimize your KW agent site to capture more leads right into your data bank inside of KWCommand. To get started, we're gonna go right into the consumer applet. And if you haven't already set up your agent site, you can use the configure your site option right here in the top right corner to get started. Here on the site and app settings page is where you can control a variety of settings related to your consumer experience. One of them is going to be the registration settings, controlling how many properties a visitor can see on your website before being prompted to register or sign in. We offer 4 different options or property limits that you can set as the agent for your consumer website. You can have it unrestricted, meaning they can browse unlimited amount of properties before being asked to register. You could set that property limit to 10 properties, 2 properties, or you can even set it to no property viewing before your website will prompt a consumer to register, helping you to capture their contact information and putting it right inside of your database here in KWCommand. I have mine set to 2 properties here. I can hit save changes in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, let's put on our consumer hat and pretend we're a brand new visitor on my agent site. Here we are as a new visitor on my agent website, searching for homes in the Orlando, Florida area. I can browse homes, see all the homes that are available here, and I can even click through to see additional details. Here's the first property that I can see, and maybe I like to see a second property nearby. Now I'm viewing my second property. As soon as this visitor attempts to go view their third property on my website, this is where my registration settings are going to kick in. And it's gonna prompt that visitor to either sign up for a new profile or log in with their existing profile. As soon as they fill out this information and they choose the sign up or the login option, I've already received a notification through the Command app letting me know that I have a new site registration. A new lead has been entered into my database directly from my agent site. I also can see right here inside of Command through my bell icon notification that I have that new site registration was received. Here in Command, I can click through directly to that contact record where now I can start to see that browsing history. So as this customer starts to favorite listings and engage with collections, I'll be able to track all of that activity right here on their timeline in real time. Consider some of your most common lead generation strategies and how you're driving traffic to your agent site as you're deciding which registration requirement setting is going to work the best for your business, helping you capture more leads in your data bank, all inside of KWCommand. Hey, you stuck around till the end. Well, while you're still here, you might as well check out one of our other videos. Go ahead, you can click right there.